Hey guys, join me live on New Year's Day for a brand new reformer workout, all right? We're gonna be live on YouTube, so if you already subscribed to my page, perfect, you're gonna go right there. It's gonna be 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? So if you're on the East Coast, that's 1 p.m. your time. If you're on the West Coast, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? So 1 hour, 60-minute workout. I'm not gonna use any special props, okay? So anything that your reformer came with, like the reformer box, okay, if you have it, we might use the jump board if you have a jump board. Maybe we'll leave that out. I wanna make sure everybody has what they need. We're not gonna use anything special because I wanna be able to have you all join me for a live workout, all right? We're gonna kick off the new year right, leave 2020 in the past, and get stronger together, all right? So I hope to see you there. If you follow me on social media, JessPFit is the same name. I have the same name on YouTube as my social media account, so follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of updates there, so any little special previews might happen on my Instagram page, but I hope to see you live on New Year's Day, okay? That's Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll see you soon.